This is the data which I provided. Now I am doing the first name and last name in a single column. So here I am using the concatenate function equals to concatenate first name and last name. Now press the enter button and click double click on the right side. So finally my name cell is created. Now I am moving to the Power BI desktop. So for the uploading purpose, go to the get data and then upload that file. It's uploading now. Now I want to show UTM content wise revenue. So going to the visualization section, click a chart, then drag UTM content and revenue. So it's showing the all those values. Now I am going to the visualization section, then go to the format value, then I want to edit this formatting, change the color also. Now moving to the next step. For the next visualization purpose, I copied first one and paste, and now I am selecting the revenue wise buyer name. It's done. So when I am doing this copy paste purpose, so it's also save my time, so and it is very useful. Same way I have created campaign name wise revenue. When I am doing this copy paste, I don't need to formatting all those bar graph. I don't need to edit all those things. Just copy and paste and click those value which I want to show. For the next step, I want to show that buyer status. Here buyer status is showing all are sold, so its data is provided all are sold, that's why it's showing. If here is not sold section also would be there, then it also show here. So it's the buyer status is now showing. That's what is the current status. Now I want to show total revenue and total flags. So for that purpose I have selected that card view section, and click that flag and revenue. So it's showing right now. Now I am just formatting all those things. So for the filtering purpose, here I am using that buyer name. So buyer name was, I am creating that filter. Go to the filter slicer section, put that buyer name column, and now I am formatting. Go to the slicer setting, create as a drop down. So it's now it is done now. Then I can show that visualization by a name voice.